Do you want to know about industrial boiler maintenance training or the way a boiler operates? Are you looking for the definition of a trained person and AS 2593-2004 requirements? Participating in unattended boiler training might be helpful to you. Mr. Thomas knew that well, and thus he planned to participate in such training with a top boiler training platform. He discussed this with his brother and heard about O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd. His brother described how this training makes the participants operate any kind of difficulty successfully. So he joined their industrial boiler maintenance training, which made him able to operate boilers efficiently. Are you also planning to join them? Browse o'brienenergy.com.au and have a clear idea of their training objectives. Or you can call 1-300-771-7559 and discuss your queries and improve your skill with their guidance.